Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to open a CommBank account online. Opening a CommBank account online is a straightforward process. If you're an existing customer, the fastest way is to log into your net bank account or the CommBank app and look for the Open an Account option. They will often pre-fill parts of the form for you. If you are a new customer, you can apply directly on the CommBank website. You'll need to fill out a short application form. For the secure online ID check, you will need to provide at least one valid form of identification. This can include an Australian driver's license, an Australian passport, or a foreign passport with a valid visa. If you don't have those, other forms of ID like a Medicare card or birth certificate can also be used. Having more than one form of ID can improve your chances of a successful online verification. Once your identity is verified, your account will be ready to use instantly. You can access your digital card immediately to make online payments or set up a digital wallet to shop in-store while you wait for your physical card to arrive in the mail. Just remember to complete the ID verification within 20 days to keep your account active. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.